let's throw the politics out over here. If this were any other president, there'd be no question. We would have those same people that you just mentioned on TV every single night saying, how dare the Republicans put this former president on trial without going through all these very serious constitutional issues?
Exactly right. I mean, the idea that it's laughable, to listen to the Andrew Weissmans or Barbara McQuaid or Lawrence Tribe, whoever it is, say, this is a cut and dry, this is a black and white issue. Of course the president can be criminally prosecuted. And then you go, and this is another thing that the justices were very concerned with. These are not specific crimes that Donald Trump is charged with in Washington for January 6th. You're talking about 3 vague conspiracy charges and 1 obstruction count that is also under review by the Supreme Court. Obstruction of an official proceeding, 1512c2. They could toss that as well. And that actually, the 1512c2 represents half of Jack Smith's 4-count indictment. So it's not like Donald Trump is charged with murdering someone in the Oval Office. He's not charged with drug running, right? He's not charged with even, sticking up a 7-Eleven. These are the vaguest, and I think it was Judge Gorsuch and I believe Justice Alito, who were talking about, well, if we apply these vague statutes with this really broad language, this conduct, it can be used in anything going forward with the president. A president conspires with his attorney general or his secretary of defense to launch a little skirmish overseas because he's down in the polls. All right, is that going to be conspiracy to defraud the United States? That's the number 1 charge in Jack Smith's indictment. These are non-specific, vague offenses. So that is where the Supreme Court is. But so you could see this falling apart in any number of ways before the Supreme Court. But Judge Aileen Cannon is doing her part in Florida also to expose the likelihood that Jack Smith should not be doing what he's doing because he has no authority to do so. And also this potential conspiracy, which is a legit criminal conspiracy, to work behind the scenes with the Biden White House to entrap Donald Trump and his team into some sort of record crime.